Hey there, Mike from CurrentWare here. I'm going to give you a quick intro on how to run reports through BrowseReporter. First select BrowseReporter, then Manage, then select the first icon that looks like a sheet of paper. Here, go to Report Type. Let's run a Sites Visited report. There are a couple options. If you have location-based tracking enabled, you'll be able to display office versus remote time. If you want to include the web page titles, different criteria if you want all of the sites visited, specific domains, or specific URLs. You can select it from here. Select your computer or your users that you want to get the information on. Easily select the user accounts or the actual PCs. I'm going to select all my accounting PCs, which will outline all of my accounting users, and choose the period that you want the reporting done for. Let's check out what my users did yesterday. Hit Run Report, and this will load up your report.